learning through creating rules in Outlook. The new Outlook gave us a lot, but one of the coolest features is the ability to create email rules, allowing us to keep our inboxes organized. We all get hundreds of emails a day, so this simple step will make a huge difference in your email management. To do this, first hit the gear icon at the top right to open Settings. From there, head over to Mail and then click on Rules. Make sure you're working with the right account and then click Add New Rule. Give your rule a snazzy name that's relevant. We're going to name ours Sales and Marketing. Then you need to set the condition. So you can see there are multiple ways to weed out emails. For this example, we're going to tell Outlook to catch emails coming from Sales and Marketing. Then you're going to choose what to do with those emails. So we're going to move them to a specific folder. If you choose this option, you can either create a new folder or stick it in one previously made. We're going to create one called Marketing Resources. You don't have to worry about the stop processing more rules option unless you have other rules that might clash with this one. And then lastly, if you want to see your rule in action right away, meaning it's going to apply this rule to emails already in your inbox, select Run Rule Now. If you don't check this box, it will only apply to new emails that come your way. And then hit save, and that's it. Your rule is set. So now when I go into the Marketing Resources folder, I can see that it pulled a couple emails that followed that rule. Just to point out also, you can always check back on all your rules by going to Settings, then Mail, and selecting Rules. And from there, you can change or update any settings you had set. Easy as that.